weather's definitely turning now. It's getting towards the colder months, which I love. This is the morning. Love it, love it, love it. Baxter's significantly less sprightly today, but he needs to go to bed earlier at night time. So do I, to be honest. Only kidding. But yeah. Okay, let's go. I mean, seriously. What more do you want from a place of employment? Bit of a contrast from yesterday. Baxter's pretty tired today. Just go check him out. Bananas! Oh, that did not go down well. What is this bird doing on my car? So, we've done it. Exercise workout for the day.
Yay!
It feels really good. It's great to be back on the train, I guess. So yeah, what we're doing is basically circuit training of 30-second sessions, 4 exercises: push-ups, chin-ups, sit-ups, and skateboard rolls. I.e., you get a skateboard and kind of.
Just a second ago, you might have seen it, but Dad kind of elbowed me in the eyelid.
Yesterday, as promised, I did the yoga. I did yoga again today, and then every second day, that's today and in 2 days. So the workout happens, and that's what we just did then. Starting really easy, like we weren't going for high scores or lots of reps or anything. Just see what we can do in 30 seconds, write it down, and then it's fun to come back to it the next day or in the next 2 days and just try and just watch as your score gets higher, and you can appreciate yourself strengthening and getting fitter. It'll probably be quite a short vlog today, but I've spoilt you with long vlogs till now anyway. No one really is watching it anyway, so who cares? So here, it is what it is.